Hey everybody! If you're new to my channel, my name is Kim, and I have been gardening in the high desert for over a decade. I am still learning new skills, and I'm happy to share what I've learned with you and bring you along as we go through the seasons of my gardens. Those of you who are gardeners know that February is a very busy month when it comes to planting seeds. So today, I'm going to plant some eggplant and lemongrass seeds indoors, and I'm going to share my techniques with you. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to mix up some of our seed starting soil with water so that we have moist soil to start with. And today I'm just using a Jiffy seed starting mix. I like to use Espoma, but the last time I was at the store, they were out. And this one has worked just as well. So what I like to do is I like to put my soil in just a small plastic container because my seed starting tray is not that big. As you can see, it is 12 different sections. So I don't need a whole lot of soil. So I start with this, I just keep a little plastic tray in my potting bench and added the seed starting mix, and now I will add water. Now I don't want it to be saturated, I just want it to be the consistency that it holds together. So I'm just going to keep mixing here and add water as needed. So you can see it's not really holding together too much. I mean, part of it is, but I haven't mixed it completely, so I need a little bit more water. All right, so there's the consistency that I want. I want it to hold together, but not be muddy. So now, taking my seed tray, and I will just fill it. So I'm filling it up pretty full, because as you know, when you start pressing it down, it goes pretty deep. So I will have to put some more in here. Okay, so that's pretty good. So I am now going to put this tray into the bottom tray, which we will water later, just to give me some little stability there. And I'm done, mostly with the dirt. So we're going to plant eggplant and some lemongrass today. Lemongrass seeds, they are very, very tiny. Let me see if I can even show you what some of them look like. So they are to be planted at 1/8 of an inch depth, and the eggplant seeds are to be planted at 1/4 of an inch depth. Now, if you haven't already seen my video on planting seeds with chopsticks, I encourage you to go watch that short little clip, and that's what I will be using today. Okay, I'll start with my depth, and I'm going to do 6 of each of these seeds. So 6 of the lemongrass at 1/8 of an inch, 6 of the eggplants at 1/4 of an inch. You can see how easy the chopstick makes it. And I use my chopstick to cover the seeds. So since I moistened my soil really well before I planted, I don't need a whole lot of water in the tray, but I do like to put some Not a lot, just enough to cover the bottom of the tray, basically. And I will put my seed tray back into that watering tray. And I will put on the humidity cover, put it on a heat mat, and we're done, and we wait. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video and it's been very helpful to you. If it has, please subscribe and like the video. That will definitely help me continue to make more. Thank you. Have a great day. Okay, so I forgot to put my plant labels in. Definitely do that before you put this on a heat mat and put it away, because you will forget which cells are what seeds. So as you can see, I have labeled them. I will put the humidity dome back on, make sure the vents are closed, and we will watch it every day and make sure it stays moist. Again, have a great day.